So much of applied econometric analysis consists of explaining the dependent variable in terms of the independent variables. So for example, if we take y as the dependent variable and x as the independent variable, so econometrics is essentially explaining how y can be explained in terms of x. So how can this be captured in an equation? So this can be represented using the following equation here, using this equation here, and this is what a simple regression model looks like. So we've got y equals to beta naught plus beta 1 x plus u, and here beta naught is the intercept parameter, beta 1 is the slope parameter, and u is the error term. In econometrics, we are usually, most of the time, we are interested in the slope parameter, and the error term consists of all the other variables except for x that can affect y that have not been included in the model. So we've got two examples here for the simple regression model. And in the first example, the equation is yield equals to beta naught plus beta 1 fertilizer plus u. And this model explains the effect of fertilizer on agricultural yield. So here beta 1 is the slope parameter, and this is the magnitude of effect that fertilizer has on agricultural yield. So what does U mean here? U is the error term, and we know that fertilizer isn't the only thing that can affect agricultural yield. There are many factors at play here. So essentially, U captures all that, and it could be the weather quality or the land quality or rainfall and so on. So these are all captured by U here. So in the second example, we've got wage equals to beta naught plus beta 1 education plus U. And this model is explaining the effect of education on wage. And like the previous model, beta 1 here is the magnitude of effect that education has on wage. However, education is not the only factor that affects wage or determines a person's wage. There are many other factors that can affect a person's wage. For example, his experience, his innate ability, his relationship with his employer, or his work ethic, etc. And these all variables are captured by the error term u here. So this is what a simple regression model looks like.